doing?
I know what you're thinking, but I have a good excuse. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching something about Alicia. I am Alicia. I know I've been away. It's been a few months, and I wanted to give you guys a lock update, a life update, kind of let you know what's going on in my life. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you kind of, know what's going on a little bit. I'm more active on there more frequently. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, go ahead and follow me there. I share a lot of things on there, including like lifestyle, diet, my family, different things. So if you kind of want to get more involved, Instagram is a great place to start because I'm always posting over there. But I have so much to tell you guys. I'm gonna get, I guess, the main thing that you guys want to see, my locks, out of the way. I'm gonna give you a little spin. Give you a little length check. Now, when my hair is wet, everyone knows when your hair is wet, it's so long, but here is 2 locks from the back. They're down here. My longest lock in my entire head is right here. Look at that. From the back and right there. 2 different areas. But my hair is doing great. It is thriving. It's getting long. So, okay, what's new with me? There's so much new with me. One thing that I posted in my last video and on my Instagram is that I'm expecting. And that was the main reason on why I have not been on here, is because I'm in my 2nd trimester now. I'm actually 19 weeks today while recording this. But early on, my 1st trimester, I was extremely sick and I was so nauseous and I felt really bad all the time, and this went on for about a good 15, 16 weeks or so, and recording anything was not in the cards for me. Can you stop interrupting me? Stop interrupting me. Tell them to stop mowing the lawn. Who was that out there?
Hello. Hi. Ni hao ma.
I'm gonna put you in there. You're gonna be in the video. But yes, I was actually very sick for my 1st trimester, but I got through it. I'm here, I'm back. Well, on top of expecting, me and Marky got married. We got married August 22nd, and it was so beautiful. It was absolutely perfect. We have been engaged for a while now, actually. And, with COVID happening, and we already pushed it back a couple of times, but we really wanted to get this done and just finally accomplish this thing that we wanted to accomplish for so long. So yes, we got married. I'm a married woman now. I had, just an outpour of love and support with my last video and even on my Instagram. So thank you guys for all of your kind words and all of your well wishes and blessings. They mean so much to us. And I had a few people actually reach out to me through Instagram, and they're like, hey, where have you been? What you doing? And with that also, they want to see more besides my hair. So I'm like, okay, I never really knew that you guys were interested in seeing more lifestyle videos. It's actually a lot of things that I could share that I don't share that could be interesting, and a few of you reached out and said, hey, I want to see some lifestyle videos, more kind of like get to know me a lot more. So I do want to bring that to you in the future. A lot of people don't know that my husband and I, we have our own catering business. It's called Veggie Vibe. I'm gonna link our Instagram page somewhere on here, if not down below. You can go follow us. We prepare vegan food. We do catering, we do private dining, we do vending, we do basically anything you can think of when it comes to food. We do it and it's vegan. And all day, every day, we're making vegan meals. We're eating vegan, doing all kind of healthy things, and I've been pretty much keeping it to myself. I know some people are interested on how to eat plant-based and kind of want to see, like, you know, my more day-to-day experience when it comes to plant-based vegan foods. So I definitely want to share those things with you. Some people have reached out and they said they wanted to see my pregnancy journey and even post-pregnancy journey, things that I do to take care of myself, and even what I plan on doing afterwards. So those are some things that I want to share with you guys. I'm still a girl, you know, I like makeup, I like fashion. I posted some videos on here, like I think I might have did like 2 makeup videos. I might have did like a favorites video where I shared my favorite products, but I feel like that could be beneficial to some of my followers, because I don't just like anything and I don't just use anything. I actually been transitioning my life, my family, for the past few years. We've been transitioning more to a non-toxic product lifestyle. So the things that we use day to day, the things that we eat, things I put on my body, wash my clothes with, those things are non-toxic. And if you want to see how I incorporate those things in my life, I'll be sharing those too. So in addition to my live videos, which I already love sharing and will continue to share, I will be giving you a more in-depth look into my life, my lifestyle, my family, how we eat, how we do things. Here is my first video after my 3-year life journey. I'm letting you know there's more to come. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my life and lock updates. Also, comment down below what videos you're interested in seeing. It doesn't matter if it's lifestyle, it doesn't matter if it's locks, it doesn't matter if it's makeup, it could be skincare, it could be anything. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace, love, and light.